Hey Stu Sales Teams followers, welcome to our brand new listing in East York. And check out this backyard. This home is like a gorgeous little country retreat in the city. You're not gonna find a backyard as big as this in the city. And this home is so cute. It's got great curb appeal. It's beautiful inside. It's so unique and different. It's not your cookie cutter little subdivision home. Ugh. It's got a beautiful open concept living, dining area, breakfast bar, all renovated, all gorgeous wood floors. It's got a main floor office if you're stuck working at home. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms. We've got 2 bathrooms, lots of built-in closets. And then added bonus, we have a whole family room with light that pours in from the window into the basement. So it's bright, it's big, it's airy. And you know what? We are in an unreal location. I can go any which way and I can go to different great neighborhoods. I can go along the Danforth, I'm on the Danforth. I can go down, I'm in the upper beaches, all the cool little shops, cafes. Go down, I'm at the lake at the beaches. Taylor Creek Park, Leslieville, it's so easy. And you know what? The Gardner's down to 2 lanes for 3 years. So stop driving. The GO station is right there at Main. It's like 10-minute walk, not even. And boom, 1 stop, you're in downtown at work. So stop driving. Go to StuSales.ca, see all our photos, our videos, and give me Stu a call for a tour of this amazing home.